Hi everybody, it's Marcy and welcome to day 3 of 7 Days of Spring 2021. So for today's pages, we've got this from Dearjuliejulie, in which we have this cash buyer's ticket. We've got this Beehive Stores little calling card. We've got a playing card with a butterfly. We've got this flinch card. And we've got this dealer's receipt on it. And then for Cara Brandon's, we've got this wonderful neutral collage page. So let's see what I did with them. Okay, here's my 2-page spread. And one thing that I did is day 1, Cara had the really colorful collage page. So I took a couple of strips off that, using it almost like washi tape, and just lined them across the top. Then over here, I used Julie's Beehive Stores calling card backed onto some of the Cara Brandon collage page and made a pocket out of it. And I used a Project Life card, covered it with Cara's paper. Here I used the flinch card. I just fussy cut around the flowers and made a little pocket there. Just put a ticket from my stash and a butterfly from my stash, and gave it a little lace pull tab stitched around it. And here I made a tag also using Cara's collage paper. Here I just used a little piece of coffee dyed paper, Hello Sunshine. I used a floral sticker that I had in my stash along with a butterfly from my stash, stitched around it, put some ribbon on it, and made a tag out of it. And over here, I made one of my favorite things. I made a little notepad. I used Julie's playing card, put a brad on it, and that helps keep my note papers laying down when we're flipping pages so they don't flop around. And you can just move that out of the way. Covered it with the Dearjuliejulie image. The notepad itself, I used Cara's collage paper up here on the top band of it. Couple of brads. And then I just used some little note papers to put inside. There are 9 sheets in various springy type colors. And all of that slides into this from Dearjuliejulie, this sales receipt. I just used some file folder to back the notepad with so it could slide in. But I like the way it leaves the sales receipt, the floral, leaves a bit of the edge so you can see it. Gives some interest on flipping all the pages up to see what's under there. And then again, just turn the little playing card to keep it all tucked down when you're turning your journal pages. So that is what I did for day 3. And anything that I have not used in a day, for instance, the top of the flinch card that I didn't use here, I'm just putting into a box. So I've got a few things in here and some leftovers of the collage papers in here. And I'm grabbing stuff out of them as I do the next day or following days, and I may use some of those in subsequent days. So be sure to check out the other YouTube participants listed in the description box below, and as well as Dearjuliejulie and Cara Brandon, who are listed below. Having a lot of fun with this so far, and I'm now going to go get ready for day 4. So until tomorrow, please be safe, stay healthy, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.